Hello students, welcome back to my class. In today's video, we are going to discuss the preparation plan for MSET as well as NEET. Don't think that this video is meant for only BPC. No, this is also very useful for MPC students. So please watch the video till the end. Let's get started now. You know that MSET TS is from July 6th to 9th. NEET will be conducted on July 26th. Both are online tests. NEET we have negative marking scheme, whereas in MSET there is no negative marking. Now let's have a look at the marks allotment. MSET MPC stream mathematics 80 questions 80 marks, physics 40 questions 40 marks, chemistry 40 questions 40 marks. In medical and agriculture stream, botany 40 questions 40 marks, zoology 40 questions 40 marks, physics 40 questions 40 marks, and chemistry 40 questions 40 marks. Totally we have 160 questions 160 marks. So in MSET each question carries 1 mark. Every question has multiple choice type. Okay, options we have. Now come to NEET pattern. So here each question carries 4 marks, not 1 mark. Physics 45 questions 180 marks, chemistry 45 questions 180 marks, biology 90 questions 360 marks. So totally 180 questions and 720 marks. So if you score, if your answer is correct for each question, you will get 4 marks, but for each wrong you will lose only 1 mark. So if it is correct, 4 marks you will get. If it is wrong, you will lose 1 mark only, not 4 marks. Now these NEET and MSET, they are conducted for BPC students for the admissions into MBBS, BDS, BVSC, B Pharmacy, Pharma D, BSc Agriculture, BSc Horticulture, BSc Forestry, BTech Food Technology, and BTech Biotechnology. Whereas MPC stream, you know that admissions into BE BTech courses. Now come to the syllabus pattern. First we begin with physics. In physics, mechanics, electrodynamics, heat and thermodynamics, optics, simple harmonic motion and waves, modern physics. These are very important. Weightage is also in this order only. Please note that in both MSET and NEET, mechanics chapter has the highest weightage. In mechanics, focus more on semiconductors, rigid body dynamics, modern physics and gravitation. In electrodynamics, electromagnetic field, current electricity, electromagnetic induction, these are very important. In heat and thermodynamics, KTG and thermodynamics topics are crucial. In optics, geometrical optics, physical optics and wave optics are very important. Now come to chemistry part, very scoring subject. In chemistry, it can be classified into inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry and physical chemistry. In inorganic chemistry, chemical bonding, coordinate compounds are very important. Many questions are coming from these chapters. After this, DF block elements are very important. Now organic chemistry, general organics, carbyl compounds, IUPAC and isomerism, alkyl halide, alcohol and ether reaction mechanism are very crucial. Now under physical chemistry, under this category, chemical equilibrium, thermodynamics and thermochemistry, chemical kinetics are very important. Now come to biology part. In biology, almost all the topics are equally important. Plant anatomy, pollination, photosynthesis, DNA replication, kingdom of Monera, genetic disorders, secondary growth, algae, these are very crucial. In zoology, endocrine system, immune system, digestive system, nervous system, skeleton system, these are very crucial. Overall, in zoology, human physiology has more weightage. Now come to the strategy, the preparation plan. So regular practice, that is very very important, and solve the previous papers. So you must go through the previous papers also. You must solve the questions, identify the weak areas, identify the difficult level questions as well as easy questions also, and follow the NCERT books, especially for NEET NCERT books. You must go through the NCERT books. Now mock test, these mock tests, they also play crucial role. So as many as possible you have to attend maximum number of mock tests, so it will develop your confidence level. Okay, so you will have very good confidence levels if you attend maximum number of mock tests. So weak areas, so which are the weak areas? You must focus on these weak areas. Comparatively, when compared to MSET, NEET questions are indirect and little bit difficult also, more difficult also. Okay, so during the preparation you must have your short notes. So preparing short notes, this is also very important. You can save your time, so it will help you for the last moment preparation. So you can minimize your time also, time saving. And for NEET biology preparation, flow charts, diagrams, short tricks, these are also very useful. So get benefited by these things. Now last but not least, health. Take care of your health, take nutritious food, avoid junk food, physical exercise is very important, have 6 to 7 hours sleep, that is very essential, and be optimistic, be positive. So have confidence, never lose your confidence, work hard, get reward. All the best. Okay friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments in the comment box. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. We meet again very soon with another interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.